What I love about my major is that it's a little bit of everything. So whether you love learning about plants or you love learning about the human body or different animals, it's a mix of all that. So you get a little taste of everything. It's not stuck on one specific subject. So that's why I love my major.
Being involved in research as an undergrad it was for me a transformative experience. I was really interested in science when I first started, and I thought plants were cool, I thought fungi were cool, and I definitely wanted to know more about those things. But I didn't understand really the process of inquiry or what it looked like, not only to learn about those things, but to be engaged with them. And that's the jump that you make when you move from the classroom to the laboratory or to a research environment. It allows you, in a more intimate level, to investigate these questions that bring you excitement, that maybe keep you up at night if you're a little bit of a nerd. It just allows you to be an active participant in science. And for me, that was the moment that I really began to dig into research. That was the moment that I knew what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. It was how I found my passion. And so I would definitely recommend to any students who have the opportunity to get involved with research. And if the opportunity doesn't seem like it's there, it is, you just need to find it.
I love bioinformatics because I get to integrate my computational skills, programming, and it just helps me understand, biology, life, and just keeps me learning, all the time. I always find new things, new tools, ways to analyze, biological data, stuff like that. So I just love the integration.
Being a science student at UVU, for me is amazing because when we have any events like out in the hallways, we have tables set up and I get to interact with not only other science majors, but people just walking through the hallways and teach them about science, about animals, and just help them engage in science as well, even if that's not their personal interests. And I get to share what I love.
I love studying botany because it's kind of our connection to the natural world. Everything originates from plants, honestly. It keeps the world going around. We all breathe oxygen, which is kind of clutch when it comes to plants. Botany has so many different facets that every single day you're learning something new, regardless of if you're a freshman, if you're a senior, or completely out of school. I think students should want to study botany because first of all, the faculty in botany is really quite personable. They really focus in on you, your needs, your goals, and also it's just one of the most fascinating subjects. I may be biased, obviously, because I am a botany major, but just so many intricacies in plants and so many options after school for botanists that it's kind of the full package.
I definitely love the hands-on experience that I have within the biotechnology program at UVU. It's incredible because you not only learn the science behind everything, but you're able to actually put it into action and apply everything you learn within a classroom setting and go on to do your own independent projects in a lot of these classes.
I believe I have everything I need to succeed as a student here at UVU because of the faculty members, my mentors, all of them have supported me the whole way. I have 6 siblings, younger siblings, so I'm the oldest, and every time I see them, I tell them about my courses and I try to get them involved with the different programs that UVU has here, like with the Latinos in Action and Summer Bridge and things like that, just to help them figure out what they want to do with biology, sometimes within the STEM field, but just to know that they are smart enough.